I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the machine safe. Unplug it and turn off both water valves. This prevents shocks and flooding. Next, move the unit for access and put towels beneath to catch residual water. Use your phone to photograph connections and labels so you can reverse steps. With the right tools at hand, multimeter, wrenches, screwdrivers, you're ready to open panels. Once done, check the service manual for part locations and proceed to the control area first. You'll now identify the failing component by testing electrical and mechanical parts. Start with power and door switch continuity. If you get no signal, trace to the control board. Remove the appropriate panel and label each screw and connector. This saves time when reassembling. Visually inspect belts, bearings, hoses, and the drain pump for blockage or wear. Use the multimeter to confirm motor and heater resistances. If a part reads out of spec, note the model number and order a replacement before proceeding. You install the replacement part using the photos and labels you made. Make sure seals and gaskets seat properly, and fasteners meet torque guidance so nothing shifts during operation. Reconnect harnesses exactly as labeled, then reattach panels. Turn on water and restore power gradually while watching for leaks. Run an empty test cycle and observe drain, spin, and fill phases. If you hear grinding or see leaks, stop immediately. Troubleshooting tip. If
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.